How do you get waves with short hair? If this question has been pounding in your mind, then this video is perfect for you. I want you to watch it all the way to the end and I'm gonna get you guys hooked up. Let's get it.
I've been going crazy. Plug in, can't play me. Jesus done save me. Can't switch, won't sway me.
What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the Ninja Waver here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys how to get 360 waves if you have short hair. This video is perfect for those who are ready to switch up their hairstyle. You're tired of rocking the same old boring short haircut, or maybe you just cut off your dreads and you wanna get a new hairstyle that's gonna be sure to turn heads. If that's you, you wanna watch this video all the way to the end and you wanna stay tuned because one of these tips that I'm about to give you is going to be sure to help your wave journey grow at a faster rate. Now, of course, the first step to getting 360 waves with short hair is, you guessed it, you want to have a short haircut. All right, so if you have not already done so, you want to cut your hair down low. Now, what do I mean when I say low? I mean to a 1.5 or no higher than a number 2. All right, this is because you want to train your hair from the root all the way up. Now, for those of you who may not be sure of what a 1.5 is, simply the next time you go to your barber, just tell them you want a 1.5 with the grain and the barber will take it from there. Now, for those of you who are visual, I'll show you what my waves look like as I've just got a 1.5 cut myself. All right, so as you guys can see, I clearly have waves. This is what a 1.5 haircut looks like. All right, and as you guys can see, the waves are there. So if I can do it, so can you. Now, the next step you guys wanna do is you wanna grab some sort of product, preferably a butter or a pomade. All right, we want a solid product. We don't really care for oils or moisturizers because at this stage, your hair is not trained to lay down because waves are just laid down curls. So you wanna make sure that you're training your hair to lay down. And one product that's gonna help that is a product such as Murray's, Dax, or even a typical 360 wave butter pomade. All right, you can find these at any of your local beauty supply stores. Key thing is products do not give you waves, they just help lay your hair down. But it's actually the next step that we're about to talk about that's going to be sure to help you get the waves that you want with consistent work. And that next step is getting the 360 wave blueprint that's going to walk you step by step on getting waves from start to finish. The 360 wave blueprint is perfect for those who want to see what their hair should look like every single week throughout their wave journey, so you can stop wondering if you're wasting hours in the mirror for nothing. The next thing that you guys are going to want to do to help you get waves with short hair is you want to grab a soft brush. All right, something like this. All right, the shape of the brush really doesn't matter. All right, but we want a soft brush. The texture matters more than the shape. Now, the reason why we want a soft brush is so we can brush our hair without hurting our scalp. You can use a medium brush, but I would stop no harder than a medium. All right, you want a soft brush so that way you can get a lot of brush work because that's what it's gonna take to train your hair to lay down without hurting your scalp. Once you have the product distributed all throughout your waves, or your hair in this case, we haven't gotten the waves yet, you then want to grab your soft brush and you want to brush your hair in your desired pattern, such as follows. All right, you guys see how I'm brushing my waves? Nice and slow. Nice and slow. You want to take your time. You don't want a fast brush like this. You want to brush at a nice, slow pace. All right, and you want to do this for your entire side. You want to do this for every single side. Hit the back. Hit the other side. The left side. And back to the top. You see how I'm brushing nice and controlled? I'm brushing the same angles. I'm not brushing here, here, all over. I have my mirror here and I'm brushing and I'm looking at my reflection so I can see the angles that I'm doing. That's all you're doing. You're brushing your hair, you're brushing the product in your hair so that way the pomade can be distributed all throughout your hair strands. Once you're done brushing, you're then going to grab a do-rag or a wave cap. I like to use both depending on how long my hair is, but again, for this video, we have short hair, so a do-rag will suffice. You guys are gonna wanna tie your do-rag. Just like this. You rinse and repeat, and you're going to do this every single day. Now, for those of you who may be wondering, how long should you brush your hair? You only want to brush your hair for no more than an hour every day. But you don't have to brush an hour in one sitting. You can break this up into 3 to 4 15-minute sessions, so that way you can get back out there and handle your real life responsibilities. On the Ninja Waver channel, we're all about making every brush session count, not just trying to get as many brush strokes as possible. It's very important that you guys are consistent more than you are worried about how long you're brushing it one time. Now, if you want some more 360 wave tips, you want to be sure to check out this video that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Be safe and salute to my wave troops. I'm out.